Welcome back, drawing fans, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a narwhal like this. But then we're going to turn it into a Christmas narwhal when we spin the Christmas wheel and add something fun to our character. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get drawing. Okay, to draw our Christmas narwhal, we're going to use a letter S like this. And then we're just going to draw the character's eyes right here. There's our narwhal eyes. We're going to draw that pointy horn on the face. It's actually a tooth, believe it or not. But in cartoon world, we turn it into a horn. We're going to draw a line like that. And then where it fits under the face, we draw these little lines. And speaking of lines, we're going to add more lines right here on our narwhal's face, just like so. Let's also add some fun little narwhal teeth, just some fun cartoon teeth here and right here. And then make your narwhal extra happy. We're going to draw a curved line here, give it a bit of a smile. And just like that, we have the narwhal's face. Hey, watch where you jab me. Okay, now let's draw the body of our narwhal. We're going to start right here. We're going to draw a curved line like so. And here at the top, we're going to draw another curved line for the back. Let's add that narwhal tail. It's just these two loops like this. And then we need to draw another fin right here. And one more over here. There you go. We have a fun narwhal, but we need to spin that wheel, that Christmas wheel, and change and turn our character into a Christmassy narwhal. Yeah. Membership art site Harptooniacs. I have these various wheels you can spin to change your character. So let's go ahead and spin this wheel and see what we're going to add to our character. And for this character, we're going to add... Oh, that's awesome. Let's add some Christmas lights. So we're going to, first, I think we need to add a little Santa hat to our narwhal. I know it didn't say that, but why not? Let's make it a very Christmassy narwhal. And now we're going to add those Christmas lights. So I'm going to kind of just draw this line that wraps around my character in different ways. And this is just a fun little line that wraps. This is the cord for the lights. And then I'm going to draw these lights. Various parts are these circles. And just see where you can add some Christmas lights to your narwhal. And I'm not trying to draw perfect. I'm just trying to get the idea for these lights down. Now to color in those lights, color several of them red, but not all of them. I want to come up with a couple other different colors. Time to add some green lights, as well as some yellow lights. And there you go. You have a holiday narwhal covered in lights with a Santa hat. How awesome is that? Well, that'd be pretty crazy if you saw that flying or swimming towards you. Yeah, because narwhals can fly. Didn't you know that? Okay, artists, well, there you go. That's how you draw a Christmas narwhal. And I hope you check out those 3 free lessons over at Harptooniacs. Link in the description below. I know you're going to love it. You get to spin the wheel and create some really fun characters. Hope you become a member. Hey, I'll see you in another How to Draw video real soon. We're going to do some more drawing, creating, and imagining.
Grab your pencil and your paper.